I'd like to thank Iea Executive Director Bureau and for his leadership and the Iea Secretariat for their contribution in hosting today's meeting focused on the critical mineral. Thank you. The key to the common challenge facing us of energy transition is the increased adoption of clean technologies such as renewable energies, EVs, and fuel cells. It is essential to ensure the supply of critical minerals that are often used in this area, as well as to strengthen supply chain resilience. In addition, at the G7 Ministers meeting on climate, energy, and environment held in April this year, as the chair, I coordinated a 5-point plan for critical mineral security, which set out ways countries should strengthen cooperation to ensure the security of critical minerals. 1. Forecast long-term supply and demand. 2. Develop resources and supply chain resiliency responsibility. 3. Recycle more and share capabilities. 4. Save with innovations. And 5. Prepare for supply disruptions. The Iea will most surely play an important role in this plan. As global interest in critical minerals grows, I believe the time has come for the Iea to focus on critical minerals as the second pillar of its activities in addition to the conventional energy field. I hear that the Iea is also planning to establish an organization bearing the name of critical minerals. We fully intend to actively support the Iea as it strengthens its functions in the critical mineral fields. Next, I'd like to introduce our country's efforts in recycling, technology, and jobs, which are the themes of this session. First, recycling. Japan made approximately 5,000 gold, silver, and bronze medals at the 2021 Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games using recycled metal from e-waste collected from across the country. Through sharing such knowledge and skills on recycling of e-waste, Japan will work with ASEAN countries to build their capacity and forge connections with them to promote recycling at the global level. Going forward, beyond ASEAN-Japan cooperation, we intend to leverage like-minded frameworks, such as the Mineral Security Partnership, MSP, to develop a global initiative to facilitate the environmentally sound management and recycling of e-waste. Next, technology. Japan faced the risk of cut-off in supply of rare earths in 2010. Since then, the public and private sectors have been taking measures on the demand side, such as developing alternative material technologies and reducing the amount of rare earths used. Specifically, we have reduced the use of rare earths by about 30% through the development of magnets from 27,000 tons in 2010 to 18,000 tons in 2021. Such technological development requires long-term efforts and must be implemented with an eye towards the future. Finally, jobs. Japan is making efforts to support the creation of good quality jobs, especially in resource-rich countries. For example, JOGMEC has established a training center in Botswana and has been promoting education on remote sensing technology to more than 2,000 engineers in southern African countries. Japan is ready to proactively share these experiences with partner countries. Acting in cooperation with efforts by other nations, we hope to expand win-win relationships around the world where security of critical minerals is ensured in consuming countries and industries and infrastructure such as mineral extraction, processing, and logistics lead to the creation of jobs and added value in resource-rich countries. Thank you very much.